Talofa lava everyone, Simon Matafai here in Brazil. This is my fourth update for you all. Whaftai lava, malo le soifo maua, malo lava le langi mama. I'm standing here in a meeting that's going to start soon with Ban Ki-moon, who's the head of the Secretary of the United Nations. He's the Secretary General of the United Nations. And so this is a real important meeting where we're going to hear him talk about sustainable development. Yesterday I met with the New Zealand delegation, the Minister for Environment. I also met with the rest of the New Zealand delegation. I also met yesterday the Commonwealth Deputy Secretary General. We got to speak with him as well. So those are some exciting updates. I'll keep you all posted. Thank you very much once again for all your support. I just want to say that send my love to my dad and to all my family back in New Zealand. I just praise God that His miracle power through my dad and his illness. So I just want to bless God and honor Him, thank Him for His faithfulness and His glory and His power, and how good He is, and His love, His enduring, undying, unconditional, sacrificial love. So thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. Stay in touch. Bye.